step, what we will try to do is, instead of displaying them only on the screen, we will try to write back this particular output into a text file. For that, we have an activity called write to text file. Here, what we can do is, we can try to pass the value that we had here. This we will add and we will separate them, okay, and then we will add one new line and another new line, and then we will pass this final method to it. Final method. Where to write this? Let's go to here. Okay, this is the folder, current folder that we have. Let's create a new folder called output. Okay, let's go into it, and then okay, let's create a file called sample, and then click on OK. So what it will do is, it will try to write that particular output into this file. If I just run it, then. But is it a good practice to save it in a predefined file? No. We can replace this with the dynamic name. What can be the dynamic name? We will do that while we work with the RE framework at the time of integration. For now, let's run it once. I'm just taking this to the initial state. I've clicked on the home button and I will try to run it once. End to end. Run file. When I just do that, there is the same process that we have implemented. So it was able to fetch the first list item, and then the ingredients. Then now it must be trying to fetch the steps available here, step 1, step 2 and step 3. It might take some time because we have kept an element exist over there whose timeout is 30 seconds. Okay, it was able to fetch it and it's completed. Let's go back to this particular file, the output folder, and look at it. So it has written all the details, the ingredients, the steps available for that. Okay, so writing back the data to the text file has been done.